Danke bafethu, so njengoba kwi-transfer market sibheke uJunior Khanyeke kakhulu ayaqhubeka ama-comments wakhe about ama-players nama-team yabo. This time around ucommente ngama-player awu-2 areleasewe i-Orlando Pirates, uPaseka Mako noThabiso Monyane baba-releasile laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Immediately mabaqeda ukurelease balinkwa to i-Kaizer Chiefs yabo. So uJunior Khanye ubelieve ukuthi akusiyi-good idea for i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi isayine ama-player lawa ayi-2 areleasewe i-Orlando Pirates yabo. So kwi-interview uJunior Khanye mayekhuluma neSokhala Duma-ke nazi izinto azishilo yabo. Uthi-ke ube surprise kakhulu uMunyane may-releasewa i-Orlando Pirates. Uthi Orlando Pirates invest imali eningi kakhulu noma investe okuningi kuMunyane yabo, from ku-development ukuthi akhula azafike laphana ku-first team and then-ke bamreleasa nje kanjalo izi kanjalo. Uthi aka-understand uthi yes uMunyane bengadlali kakhulu laphana ku-Orlando Pirates. Uthi but kuneplayer elifana noThabiso Libitso odlala a few games this season and then wavele waba injured yabo. Uthi why kumele ukhiphe ugcine uLibitso but urelease uMunyane yabo. Uthi kufana nokuthi uhambisa ingane yakhe esikolweni ubhadala ischool fees iqede isikolo and then so uyabona ukuthi sesiqedile isikolo but ke ayuthola umsebenzi then so uyayilahla ke ingane yakhe. Uthi lokho akukho good yabo. Uthi ke ukuya kuMunyane kuKaizer Chiefs uthi akusi good idea. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi kuzoba i-same story sifana noSolomon lo wathathwa kuSwallows akafithi kahle laphana kuKaizer Chiefs yabo. Uthi kufana na kuPirates, iChiefs ine-culture yayo nendlela yayo yokudlala ibhola. Uthi akacabanga ukuthi uMunyane uyafitha laphana kuKaizer Chiefs yabo. Uthi lo muntu lo bekangadlali regularly ku-Orlando Pirates, why Kaizer Chiefs imsayinile yabo. So wajumpa kuJunior Khanye waya straight to uMarco yabo. Uthi ungalenzi iphutha, uthi uMarco is the best left back in South Africa at the moment. Angazi lokho kusho uJunior Khanye ukuthi iqiniso but asiqhubeke nenkulumo yakhe. Uthi uMarco lo i-product eMamelodi Sundowns but azange bamnike ithuba kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi adlale khona noma abazange bamnika ithuba laphana ku-Orlando Pirates since ajoina from iChippa United yabo. Uthi Orlando Pirates yenza iphutha elikhulu ukuthi idlalise uHotho ahead of uMarco yabo. Uthi ke lokho bokuyiphutha but ke uthi uMarco ugood impela but Orlando Pirates yenza iphutha ngokuthi imrelease. Uthi ucabanga ukuthi akusiyi good idea kodwa ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs imsign yabo. Uthi system yeKaizer Chiefs abadlala ngayo at the moment ayimsuthi noma ayimfanele uMarco yabo, istyle saka Marco leso uMarco adlala ngaso yabo. Uthi ke kumele usayine namanye ama-players ocomplementa i-player elifana noMarco yabo. Uthi so far iKaizer Chiefs ayakasayini any player. Uthi ke uyambona ukuthi uCross ukuthi udlala kanjani. Uthi that's how iKaizer Chiefs edlala ngakhona and uthi akusi style sa Marco leso yabo. Uyaqhubela phana uJunior Khanye uthi ke uthi there's no need ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs isayine i-left back yabo njengoba bano Omega Mdaka odlala laphana olapha kuStellenbosch manje yabo. Uthi kumele ngabe babheka umfana neplayer good kakhulu yabo. Uthi angaba right kakhulu laphana ku left back going forward nanokudefend yabo. So uthi ke iplayer elifana noMarco kumelanga ngabe lijoine iKaizer Chiefs yabo. Eqhubeka uJunior Khanye uthi iKaizer Chiefs i-team enkulu ngempela. Uthi banendlela yawo assess ama-player ukuthi bafithi nanokuthi abekho fithi nanokuthi mhlambe ama-injuries ngeke kube yinkinga yabo. Uthi ke iKaizer Chiefs bekumele yenze kangcono ngempela before isayina uSam lo ongakadlala isizini yonke yabo. Uthi akumelanga baphinde lamaphutha lawa bawenza ngoMunyane noMarco ukuthi mhlambe if ama-player injured but still bawasayine yabo. So far nje this season Kaizer Chiefs ayaka-announce ama-player isamele ukuthi ngicabanga ukuthi transfer window ukuthi ivuleke and then bazo-announce ama-player but into aba-announcile ukuthi bazoya eNetherlands laphana ku-pre-season training camp. So bona ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs izohamba nobani laphana izoshiya obani. Lo moment le important kakhulu for iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi i-introduce ama-player a-different amaningi laphana ku-setup yawo yabo. So ezinye indaba bafethu because akusindaba zeKaizer Chiefs kuphela njengoba uPercy Tau ayi-free agent, uPercy Tau Bafana Star 2 available mahala vele kusho ukuthi yonke i-team ingamsayina yabo. So but ke kunama-comment like amaningi khona umdlalo kwadlalela i-strike esike sadlalela iKaizer Chiefs esesicommentile ngevalue bawona iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi kungenzakalani mabangasayina ulona uPercy Tau. So ukhila mphela lona noma ngithi uKatle Mphela yabo se-advise uKaizer Chiefs about i-history yakhona nokuthi ama-player weMamelodi Sundowns mejoin iKaizer Chiefs awabi successful yabo. So kunawo amagama kaKatleho Mphela yabo. Uthi ke in the past few season lama season lawa adlule iKaizer Chiefs ayenzi kahle in terms of ukwina ama trophy. Even last season yesitholile i-trophy but abenzi kahle overall yabo. Uthi iKaizer Chiefs idinga ama player azoyisiza ngempela ukuthi challenge for izinto yabo, but uthi akacabanga ukuthi kusayina uPercy Tau kuzoba yi-solution ngempela yabo. Uthi mawubheka i-history uthi ama-player amaningi ngempela asuka kuMamelodi Sundowns ajoyina iKaizer Chiefs naye uyabala lapha yabo. Uthi azange ngempela bakwazi ukuyithwala iKaizer Chiefs, azange babe yi-success laphana mebejoyina iKaizer Chiefs from Mamelodi Sundowns. Uyasho ukuthi number 1 kunama expectations like amaningi kakhulu yabo. I-pressure emaplayeni iba nkulu, that is why ama-player angakwazi ukuperforma kahle mawufika kuKaizer Chiefs. Uthi bheka nje ukuthi kwenzakaleni kuKigen Dolly, uKhama Billiat noManqele, ubala wonke lama-player lawo beyasuka kuMamelodi Sundowns noma ake yadlalela iMamelodi Sundowns. uKhama Billiat abanye bajoyina from iMamelodi Sundowns direct, abanye uDolly bajoyina bayahamba kuMamelodi Sundowns baye kwamanye ama-team but bagcine seba kuKaizer Chiefs yabo. But uyasho ukuthi ama-player awafani, but uthi ama-expectations nje ayafana, ne-history yafana. Uthi ke kunzima noma ku-tricky for uPercy Tau nawo wonke ama-qualities, une-experience kakhulu, but ke uyasho ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs akumelanga ngempela imsayine uPercy Tau. Akuyona i-good move ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs isayine lo mdlali lona weBafana uPercy Tau yabo. So uqhubekile uKatleho Mphila uyasho ukuthi uthi akumelanga usayine iplayer lodwa kuphela ukuthi ushintshe yonke i-team yabo. Uthi for ukuthi noma ukuthi i-team yenze kangcono yabo. Uthi ke uPercy Tau noma kuthiwa yamsayina yena yedwa ngeke akwazi ukushintsha izinto lapha kuKaizer Chiefs yabo. So kumele umsayine uPercy Tau, if yamsayina but ubheke nawo wonke ama-players around yena azokwazi ukumsiza yabo ukuthi i-team ngempela ikwazi ukuthola ama-results agood. Yeah, but ke uthi kungaba into enhle kakhulu if bayamsayina uPercy Tau but basayine nama-player amaningi around uPercy Tau, lawo njengoba ngishilo ukuthi azokwazi ukusiza uPercy Tau. Sikhumbule ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs inobo Augustine Sereno, ama-player abhekiwe ngempela ukuthi angakwazi ukuyithwala iKaizer Chiefs. Nomdusha Balala mangakwazi ngempela ukukhulisa igame yakhe, angakwazi ukuba highly influential ngoba umdu uyakwazi ucreate ama-opportunities. Udinga very solid striker laphana phambili, abantu abaningi around yena abahlakaniphile abazokwazi ngempela ukuphusha iKaizer Chiefs to i-strength sabo ngempela. uLilepo naye is showing a glimpse of i-greatness, but sobona ukuthi mabanga-add amanye ama-player around uLilepo ukuthi uzokwazi ukuperforma naye yabo. Nocele naye kuyabonakala uyabonisa umfana ama-qualities ukuthi uyalwa ngempela. So kuningi ngempela bafowethu ebholeni njengoba kuyi-transfer market, but sobona ukuthi oKaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates, Mamelodi Sundowns bazodecide uku-add obani because maningi kakhulu ama-player available. Amanye available for free, amanye afuna ukuhamba emathimini wabo ajoyine ama-new teams. Amanye mhlawumbe awajabulanga kula ma-team lawa bakuwo at the moment, but ke sobona ukuthi imaphi ama-player azolokhunjani azodlala kuKaizer Chiefs abazowa-add. But khona before ngivala ngifuna ukukhuluma ngeBafana versus Angola. Abafana banikwe ithuba ukuthi badlale laphana kuSAFA Cup but bahluleka ukushaya iAngola. iAngola ibahlaze kakhulu, bashaya amagoli amaningi yabo. So it was sad just to see ukuthi ihilo abafana abanikwe i-opportunity ukuthi babonakalise laphana, but bona babulala kabuhlungu lapha neAngola, bashaya ngo-3-0 yabo. Bashayile ekhaya, the worst part, eFree State Stadium. It is very sad, but ke I think overall abafana just bebagain experience. I think bafundile ukudlala namanye ama-team yabo ukuthi mhlambe next time bangaziprepare kanjani, but ke if they can't beat Angola then kuzoba nzima kakhulu ukuthi mhlambe bapikwe laphana ku-senior bafana like ku-first team yangempela yabo. So kuningi ngempela kusebholeni lase-South Africa, but nebafana beyiza kahle laphana ku-COSAFA, but ke izinto ekugcineni azange zibahambele kahle. Kufinally bashawe ngo-3-0. Danko bafowethu.